Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into one of the most common questions in the programming world, that is Kotlin versus Java. Which one is better? Which one should you learn? By the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of the main differences between Kotlin and Java and which language might be the right choice for you. Before we jump into the comparison, let's set the stage. Java has been around since 1995 and is one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. Kotlin, on the other hand, was introduced by JetBrains in 2011 and officially became the preferred language for Android development in 2017. They both run on the JVM, but they approach problems very differently. Now, let's see the difference between these two programming languages. The first one is syntax and conciseness. One of the first things you will notice is that Kotlin's syntax is much more concise. Java tends to be more verbose. You need a lot of lines of codes for something simple. Kotlin cuts out the boilerplate here, which means fewer lines, cleaner code, and less chance of making mistakes. The next we have null safety. We all know the famous null pointer exception in Java. It's a developer's nightmare. Kotlin tackles this with built-in null safety. By default, variables can't be null unless you explicitly mark them as nullable. This drastically reduces runtime crashes. Next, we have coroutines versus thread. In Java, handling background tasks often means juggling with threads and executors, which can get messy sometimes. Kotlin introduces coroutines, a much simpler and structured way to handle asynchronous programming. This makes writing concurrent code easier and more efficient. The next we have interoperability. One of the best thing about Kotlin is that it's 100% interoperable with Java. You can call Java code from Kotlin and vice versa. This makes migration super smooth for existing Java projects. The next we have extension functions. In Kotlin, you can extend classes with new functionality without modifying their source code. In Java, you typically need utility classes or inheritance to achieve this. Extension functions make code more readable and more elegant. The next we have data classes. In Java, creating a simple data holding class means writing constructors, getters, setters, equals, hash code and two strings methods manually. In Kotlin, you just write one line, data class and the class name. Done. The compiler generates everything for you. The next we have community and ecosystem. Java has a massive ecosystem and a huge community supports, which means endless libraries, frameworks and support. Kotlin ecosystem is growing fast, especially in Android development, but Java still dominates in enterprise and application level. So here comes the question, which one is better? So let me tell you the truth. We live in a new world of technology, new languages like Kotlin introduced to solve the pain points of the older ones like Java. That doesn't mean Java is dead. Far from it. In fact, they are not even competitors. Think of them as partners. Java gives you the foundation and Kotlin gives you the modern tools to build faster and safer applications. You can learn them individually and knowing both will make you much stronger developer. At the end of the day, it's not about picking sides. It's about choosing the right tool for the job and for the project. I hope you understand the differences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more programming content and drop a comment. Are you a team of Java or team Kotlin or team both?